This is the garage elevator at the UPMC Medical Arts Building in Oakland, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm not sure what this was originally, but it was sadly modernized by thyssenkrupp MODfusion with vandal-resistant fixtures. Case file over is officers way up there. Elevator 4. What is that doing right there? Up to 8. Don't know when this was modernized. Here you go. I believe this was modernized though. Whoa. Only serves even floors. That's interesting. Here at 8. Go back on the ground. And we'll ring the bell. thyssenkrupp trick. ADA phone, elevator 4, cabinet. Pretty basic stainless steel cabinet. I believe it was for John. There's a certificate. Firefighter's operation. It only serves the even floors, which is interesting. Oh, what is that doing right there? Back at ground. And there's a crummy wheelchair lifter right there. There it goes, and that's going to be it.